I haven't manually uploaded a video in 47 days. One command, 6 agents, published everywhere, 0 manual work. Here's how the pipeline works. The research agent scans 12 sources, YouTube, Google, Reddit, Twitter, finds trending topics, competitor gaps, and keyword opportunities. It delivers a weekly brief in under 60 seconds. The script agent takes that brief and writes a retention-optimized script, hook in the first 15 seconds. Chapter markers, shorts, clip boundaries, all matched to your voice from training examples. The visual agent generates 3 thumbnail variants, a B-roll shot list with timestamps and motion graphic specs, all using your brand palette. The edit agent takes the script and visual cues, assembles a DaVinci Resolve or CapCut timeline via XML, burns in word-by-word captions, levels the music, and applies your color grade. The SEO agent writes 10 title variants with CTR prediction, a full description with chapters, 15 tags, and hashtag sets. The publish agent uploads to YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, Reels, X, and LinkedIn, each with platform-native metadata. The entire pipeline runs from one terminal command, ship-video space topic name. Done. Results after 47 videos, 34% retention increase to 1 times CTR, 12 hours per week saved. Stop doing work a machine can do. Book a free 15-minute audit at GaleTech.sh.